Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. So, in our previous class, we have studied the sound. Today, we will discuss noise pollution or sound pollution. So, in our surrounding, there are different kind of sound. So, the sound of musical instrument, song, these are known as pleasant sound, and the sound of aeroplane, machines, loudspeaker, these are known as unpleasant sound and that cause noise pollution. Now let's see what are the sources of noise pollution. So vehicles are the most widespread source of noise pollution in our city, in all around the world. So some vehicles like motorbike, car, truck, bus, etc. So they produce a loud sounds, and the sound of aeroplane and trains, there are also some major sources of noise pollution in the areas that close to the airport and railway tracks. In large industries there are big machines and various equipments or parts of the machines are there, like generator, exhaust fan, etc., and they are capable of producing a huge sound, and that causes noise pollution. And some under construction activities like mining, construction of some building, roads, bridge, they also causes noise pollution. In our modern day also, in our daily life, we are using some of the instruments like mixer, grinder, AC, air conditioner. So sometimes they also produces some unpleasant sound, and that causes noise. And the last one, that is the use of loudspeaker in social gathering like in marriage ceremony, family gathering. So there are a huge use of this loudspeaker, and that produce a huge noise pollution. Okay, next, what are the effects of noise pollution? So noise pollution had very harmful and bad effects on human beings. If you are constantly present in a noise polluted area, then there is a damage to our eardrum and sometimes loss of hearing. And if the loud sounds are present around the hospital and school, it results in the disturbance of the patients in hospital, and also it breaks the concentration among the students. And sometimes the noise pollution causes high blood pressure, increased heartbeat, and sleeping disorder in human beings. These are the physiological disorder in human beings. Now, how to prevent this noise pollution? So in our modern society, noise cannot be eliminated, but we can reduce the level of the noise. So what we have to do not blow the horns near the school, hospitals and the resident areas, and the use of loudspeaker in various religious and social gathering, that should be controlled. And in factories, there should be some soundproof room for the noisy machines, and the factories and industries should be located away from the hospital, school and residential areas. And all the automobiles, means the cars like this, so all the automobiles should have modified silencer to control the noise pollution.